Good morning once again, everyone. See, now we have seen two videos today. This is the third and the last video of today. This is the chapter we are discussing about the story of Amrita. In the last video, we will take important 3 points. You will see on your screen. These are 3 points. Let's look back. First point is, let's look back. In this point, we are discussing about the chapter we have seen so far. So, let's go for that. First of all, we have seen the summary of the lesson. I hope you all have understood it very clearly. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. So, after summary, we have seen some topics of the chapter. As you can see on your screen, that is, what is globe we have seen. So, this is the definition: a round object with a map of the world on it. यह हम हिंदी में ऐसे कह सकते हैं, संसार के मानचित्र वाली एक गोल वस्तु ग्लोब, पृथ्वी का मानचित्र. This is the definition of globe. Then we have seen maps. Initially we had seen the map of India. There were many states located and shown in the map. This was outline of India. Then we saw 3 states of India. First we saw Goa, then Rajasthan, and then West Bengal. In addition to that, we saw 4th state, that is Maharashtra. As our chapter is concerned to the Rajasthan state, we will see in this that Rajasthan is clearly located in this map in red color. You have to watch it and understand the location of the given state in the map. Moving forward, see, here is the map of Rajasthan. Everyone can say there is a district, that is Jodhpur. We have seen that the village which we have discussed in the chapter was located in Jodhpur. Then we had seen globe, its shapes and its definition. We have also seen what is the map, and then we have also find that how to find the locations and the places. Moving forward, we had seen the district where we are living, that is in Maharashtra, and the name of the district is Nasik. In this way, we have seen the chapter. Then, students, second point is class assessment. In this, I will ask some simple questions to you. You have to give answers quickly. So, first question is, where is Khejadli village located? I hope you have given answer. Then second question is, what is map? Yes, I will repeat the answer. Rough sketch of a place is called map. Then third question is, which animals did roam fearlessly in Khejadli village? We have seen in the first paragraph of the chapter that there were goats, deer, hares, peacocks roamed fearlessly in that village. Next question is that, how does map help us? map helps us in finding our ways. Now student, next question is, in which state Nashik is located? I think every one of you will give the answer. Yes, Nashik is located in Maharashtra state. Then last question is, what is globe? Yes, globe is a round object with a map of world on it. I am going to repeat once again. Globe is a round object with a map of world on it. So students, this was class assessment. Now you will be given homework. So you all have notebooks. Note down. 2 questions are there in homework. First one is, draw the outline of India and show the Rajasthan state in it. I will repeat. First question is, draw the outline of India and show the Rajasthan state in it. Second homework is, draw 3 different leaves of various plants and color it. So students, this was homework. We have seen this chapter in 3 parts. So for today we have seen the first day of this chapter. Students, understand it clearly. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Complete your homework and send it to me on my personal number. Thank you.